dang, we're going camping right in the house.
Can we go glamping?
We're going glamping. We're actually in our glamorous kitchen, and but we want to do a little kind of campfire-ish kind of thing. All right, so we're going to do s'mores in the house. Now I have to do a disclaimer. You might not want to do it like this, but usually you do it around the campfire, right? But you could do it over a burner. I mean, why not?
All you need is fire.
All you need is a little bit of fire. Just be careful when you're doing it. So we're doing s'mores, and you think, why are we doing s'mores? Well, we're doing s'mores because we have some of the best chocolate in the whole darn world that we're working with, right?
Yeah.
And because it's going to take that s'mores to the next level. So what kind of chocolate are we working with right there?
So you have a 72% dark chocolate. That's what we're going to be using. Yeah, and besides that, there's nothing added to it. So it's just a real straight ahead dark chocolate, which usually you might use a milk chocolate for s'mores. Sure. But our chocolate is really smooth. It's still playful, even though it's dark. Yeah. So I think that you get the best of both worlds.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
All right, well, we have some beautiful graham crackers here.
Okay.
Lovely graham crackers. Have gorgeous chocolate. And you want some of the campfire marshmallows. These are legendary. My mother lived on them for a number of years, and she did quite well.
All right.
Until she didn't.
Okay, it's getting cooked. So now our next step, we do something. Okay.
All right, let's get a setup here. 1, 2. All right.
All right, so then I'm going to use my crackers and help you out there. Go ahead and pull.
Whoa. Oh,
oh my gosh, look at that.
Yummy.
Whoop. All right,
Okay.
nice,
All right.
nice, nice, nice.
Yum.
Beautiful.
Right.
We have a s'mores on here. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go once again. The power of the thing.
You ready?
So are you liking how much it's toasted?
Yeah.
I mean, you know, some people like their marshmallows totally until the...
There you go. Now
Okay, here you go.
All right.
This is your first time
It
doing
is. It's
This
my
is
first
Mary's first
s'more.
s'more.
Did we get it?
Are we getting it? We're getting
Get
it. Get it, get it, get it.
Oh, I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Pull it. Pull it.
All right, there we go. Yeah,
Yay, look at this. This is awesome.
All right, we're going to do one more.
Okay, one more.
One more.
Okay, you go.
You're up on this.
That's
one.
kind of
Here we go.
fun. No, I've never made s'mores before that I can recall.
Look at this.
Ah,
Here
yeah,
it goes.
Joan, you're
Burn
having too
on,
much fun with
burn
that flame,
on.
hon. Oh, blow on it first.
All right, there we go.
All right.
Okay.
There we
Whoa.
This is for
That is
those of you who like your marshmallow well done. Yes, yes,
Whoa,
yes. Look at that. Oh
look
my
at
God.
that.
Together?
Good job, everybody.
All right.
Yay.
There you go, live right here in our kitchen.
And we didn't burn
On
the house
fire, and we didn't even have to use fire extinguisher.
All right.
No.
So we did our s'mores.
Oh my God, they're beautiful.
So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you got some ideas to recreate in your own kitchen and learned a little something along the way. For more information on our common table and our mission to eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild the local food economy one dish at a time, check out our website and join us on social media.